So hello friends, today we have a mystery box. Let's see what inside it. Let's open it. Whoa, whoa friends, so many toys. Let's see it one by one. First, we have a pink open Jeep. Let's put it here. Let's choose second one, a green auto. Very beautiful auto friends, a green auto. Let's put it here. Let's see. Oh friends, I got a highly quality toy, a helicopter. Let's put it here. Let's see this one. Oh friends, it's a carrier truck. We have two toys inside this truck. Let's put it here. Oh friends, let's see this one. Whoa friends, it's a big size silver color tractor. Very high quality toy friends. Let's put it here. Let's see. Guys, we have so many toys inside the box. Oh friends, it's a blue and grey color military truck. Let's put it here. Let's see this one. A pink color car. A green car. A white ambulance. A yellow and blue color truck crate. Let's see this one. A desert bike. Let's see this one. A yellow color sports car. Put it here. Let's see. Oh friends, it's a very big toy. A red orange color car. Oh friends, a white and blue color Hammer SUV. Oh friends, a heavy duty truck. Oh friends, we got two toys, same toys. A heavy duty truck too. See, same. A white color police car. Put it here. A orange color car. A blue color dumper truck. A yellow color high dumper truck. See this one? Oh friends, a toy bus. Oh friends, a truck. Oh friends, a school bus. We have only left 4 toys. Let's see it one by one. Oh friends, a white and green color cement truck. A white color police car. Oh friends, we have only 2 left. The second last are JCB friends. Let's see this one. The last one, a red and orange color, a super car. Put it here. So we have seen all the toys inside the mystery box. Like the video, share the video, subscribe channel. Bye bye.